I usually start my videos with no makeup, but now we have makeup. Hey guys, and welcome back, or welcome to my channel. I am Mitzel, for those of you who don't know. Usually I start videos with no makeup, but I forgot to do an intro, so this is what you're getting. So today's video, it's gonna be a super chill, super simple makeup look. I am doing something very exciting today, and I didn't have any videos for this week, so I needed a video, basically. That's what I'm saying. So I decided to do a get ready with me, and yeah, this is the final look. So I'm gonna show you how I did this. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can keep seeing this beautiful face on your YouTube. So let's get started. Alright, so this happens when you get a new mic. I'm not used to my microphone, so I forgot to turn it on, and I was talking about what we're gonna do today, but now let's get started. So what I did when the mic was off, I applied my primer and sunscreen in one. I use the KYLIE Skin Face Sunscreen. I really enjoy it. It's not super hydrating, but it feels more hydrating than the Super Goop one, which is very similar. It has that silicone touch to it, and it's great under makeup. That's why I really enjoy it when I'm gonna do makeup. So used that. I applied a lip balm. Used the Summer Fridays lip balm. It's gonna be a super chill video. I've seen a lot of comments saying that you really enjoy my videos, but that I tend to over-explain stuff. I'm trying to keep my mouth shut and just do what I gotta do. That's why I wanna do a get ready with me, use some products that I haven't used in a while, so that's what I'm gonna do. So first I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. I really love this stuff. It's been a while since I've used it, just because it's a bit dark on me, but I love the finish. It has a semi-matte finish, but it doesn't look dry at all. I have more of a dry skin, so just applying some dots on my face, and I'm just gonna blend it out with a brush. And before I started, I did do my skincare. If you want to see what I use for skincare products, I'm gonna put a card up here. I think it's this side. I'm gonna leave that for you if you're interested in watching that. I just love how this foundation looks, because it doesn't give like a super glowy finish, but it's not also super matte finish, and it lasts all day. It doesn't break up on me, and you can't even feel it on your face. Super lightweight. Look at that. Like, I'm not liking my hair. I just took a shower. I usually don't do this, but I'm gonna put it back. For concealer, I'm gonna go first with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. So I go in with this concealer first, just to kind of correct under my eyes, my dark circles. And that's why I applied that one, because it has more of a salmon undertone. And then I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty Concealer in the shade 170W. And apply it on top of that, and this is just gonna brighten my under eyes, bridge of my nose and chin, and I'm gonna blend it out with a beauty blender. Now I'm gonna set my under eyes using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus translucent powder. I think I talked about this in my last video. Was it my last video? One of my last videos I talked about this product, and I've been really enjoying it. Take some of that and just set my under eyes. I really need concealer right now, because I started this weekend watching all Marvel movies. I'm watching it like the timeline. I don't know, and when you go into Disney Plus, go to the Marvel section, and it goes like Marvel Studios timeline. I don't know if I'm explaining myself, but I'm watching the movies in their timeline, not how they came out, but I've been really enjoying it. I'm not a fan of superheroes and stuff like that, but I watched the whole first season of WandaVision, and I love. They even made me cry the last episode. I'm also watching The Falcon and the Winter Soldier, and oh my god, can we just talk about Sebastian Stan? Woo! Oh my god. I need a moment. But if you're into the Avengers and stuff like that, there's things they talk about in each movie or in the shows that happens maybe in another movie, and I'm watching these shows and the movies and I'm kind of confused. So I was like, okay, let's watch them in their timeline order just to understand a bit. But each movie is 2 hours and I have not been sleeping. I've watched 5 movies. I think there's 21 movies, but they don't have the Hulk on Disney Plus, so there's only 20. 5 down, 15 more to go. It's really interesting, but it's just like too long. But I prefer movies over a TV show. But that's what I've been doing all weekend, and still gonna continue doing that this week. Wish me luck. Okay, so I'm trying to grab stuff that I haven't talked recently in my videos, so it's kind of shop my stash, but not really. So I'm gonna take the Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer in the color Tantric. I'm just gonna bronze up my skin. For a highlighter, I'm gonna use this DIOR palette. It's the DIOR Backstage Glow Face palette in 001 Universal. I'm gonna take this gold shade and apply it as my highlighter. I really enjoy this highlighter. It's been a while since I've used it. It's a really pretty shade. Okay, so for my blush, I'm gonna take this MILANI Chick Kiss cream blush in the shade Nude Kiss. This, I recently bought it and I've been loving it so much. So much. It's very similar to the Tower 28 blushes, and it lasts all day. I've been wearing it with a mask on and it doesn't smudge or anything, and I just, oh my god, I love it. I love it so much. Okay, so I'm gonna do eyebrows off camera, but I'm gonna show you what products I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use the Patrick Ta Shaping Wax in the color Tinted, and fill in any sparse areas with the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. So I'm gonna do that and be right back. Alright, eyebrows are done. I already primed my eyes with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer. Today I'm gonna use the NABLA Side by Side Nude palette. I love this palette. First I'm gonna take the shade Halftime and apply that to my crease. You already know, using a fluffy brush. Now to deepen it a bit, I'm gonna use Beauty Mark and concentrate it more on the outer corners. Just a bit, I don't want it to be super dramatic. I'm gonna take Halftime again and apply it to my lower lash line and connect it to my lid. Today's a very exciting day for me. I'm gonna go pick up my birthday gift. My birthday is next Thursday, which I'm very excited. I'm gonna be 23 and I can't wait. I know 23 is gonna be one of the best years. I just know it. For me, 3 is a very lucky number, so 23 means a lot to me. Very excited, and today I'm gonna pick up the gift I've been wanting for a long time. I just needed to control my shopping addiction and save up some money for it. I'm very excited. I think I might vlog. I think I might do a vlog, but I don't know. I don't want to come off like showing off or anything, but at the same time, it's very hard for me to save money, so I'm very proud of myself, and I decided today was a good day to just go pick it up. And yeah, very exciting. Now I'm gonna take this shade Body and Soul. I was gonna go bronzy, but I think that's what I usually do, and this shade, I don't know, just spoke to me. I hope it's not super glittery because it looked glittery. I never said what I'm getting. I'm getting maybe a YSL bag. That's the one I've been eyeing for a while. I'm so excited. I'm I'm a big fan of luxury handbags. I don't care about the clothes or the shoes or anything, but handbags, I'm just obsessed with them, and I just can't wait to buy like my first handbag, like luxury handbag. I've had others, but this one, it's like gonna be like one of the most expensive stuff I bought besides my computer and my car. So it's very, very, very exciting. I don't know if I like it or I don't like it. Now I'm gonna do a small liner using the Physicians Formula Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliner in Serum. Just gonna do a little wing, and I'm gonna fast forward this because we all know I'm not great at wing eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna do this off camera because it's not coming up like I want to. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Alright, try to fix that. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I think it's the coffee. I feel shake. I curled my lashes, and today I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs At Lashed mascara. It's been a while since I've used it, so let's see how this looks today. I look good. Ew. Now I'm gonna take the Glossier Lash Slick and apply this mascara to my lower lashes. Just realized my nails look, they're naked. So I had to take off, I usually put acrylics on, and I had to take it off because this nail is turning green, and apparently that's not good. So my nail lady said I had to take them off and let them breathe for a while, and I feel not me. So this is what we're gonna be rocking for a month, also for my birthday. So I think I'm gonna do my hair and come back and finish lips. Okay, so I kind of fixed my hair. Hope it looks good. Alright, so now for lips, I'm gonna take the Pat McGrath Labs Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil in Supernatural. And because I'm gonna be wearing a mask, I tend not to use any lipsticks or lip glosses just because it's gonna bother me. So I'm gonna take the Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable, I think it's a lip balm, in the shade Nearly Neutral. Just apply that. Alright, so this is the finished look. It's very simple. I just wanted to get ready with you guys today, and I didn't have anything filmed, so this is gonna be it. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment down below what other types of videos you want to see from me. That would help me out a lot. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. You could also follow me on my social medias, which I always leave somewhere here and also in the description box below. Every product I mentioned is gonna be in the description box below with shades and everything. And yeah, hope you guys like this video. Hope you're having an amazing day, amazing night, or amazing morning. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!